You're sitting at the desk a lot, then one of the questions I get is, I get so tight right here. I get so tight right here, and I'm sitting at the desk and I just feel so tight, and I'm always like, oh, someone give me a massage. Well, what happens? When you sit a long time, you're gonna get stiff. Now, you're gonna get stiff in your hips, in certain parts of your back, like all along your spine. You have your lower, you have your mid back, and then your upper back, and then of course your cervical spine, right? So a lot of times if you're stiff all along the way, it's gonna show up here. So you're gonna be like, oh my God, my neck hurts. I just had someone, what was it, like a couple months ago, she came in and she could barely turn her head. And what was happening was starting to affect how her arms are feeling. She didn't say it was her shoulder. She actually came in and was like, something's wrong with my hands. I can't feel anything. Like I feel numbness coming down from my arm. And after we spoke to her at length and then started to work with her, we found out, well, some stuff is happening here, some stuff is happening here, and some stuff is happening here along the lower part of the back and the spine as well. So one of the things that we do is we take a look at the whole body, all along the spine, so that we can see, why do you feel so tight all the time? Why can't you turn your head? Why is it when you're driving? Okay, tell me when you're driving if you have this problem, because I don't want to be next to you. Can't look to see about backing up or switching lanes. So if you can't do that, it's gonna be really hard to feel like you're a safe driver, right? You can't sleep, and you sure as hell can't sit for 8 to 10 hours at the desk and work really comfortably, right? So if you're somebody who's feeling really, really tight, and it doesn't matter how many times you get a massage, how many neck stretches you do, right? If you're still feeling it, then give us a call here at Hands On Therapy Services. Let us help you get clear in terms of what's possible for you, right? What's possible, and help you make a decision about whether therapy will help you or not.